Okay, it's time to talk about the 3 dimensions arrays. An array that has a 2-dimensional arrays or matrices as its elements or items is called a 3-dimensional array. And also these arrays are often used to represent a third-order tensor. So let's take an example for the 3-dimensional arrays. Let's create a simple 3-dimensional array with 2 of 2-dimensional arrays, both containing 2 arrays, exactly as follows. This is a simple 3 dimensions array, as you can see, with 2 of 2-dimensional arrays. Finally, let's talk about checking number of dimensions. So how can we check the number of dimensions for an array? For that purpose, you can use the ndim attribute. Basically, NumPy arrays provides the ndim attribute that returns an integer that is used to know how many dimensions the array have. Let's use the ndim attribute. Let's take a simple example to check how many dimensions the arrays have. This is a simple example. So we got 0, 1, 2 and 3 in the output. Simply array A is a 0-dimensional array. Array B is a 1-dimensional array. Array C is a 2-dimensional array. Array D is a 3-dimensional array. So we got 3 in the output. That's it. That's all for this lesson. Try to do this by yourself. Try to create 4 types of arrays using the same method we used. Try to create 0-dimensional array, 1-dimensional array, 2-dimensional array, and 3-dimensional array using the same way. And also you can use the ndim attribute to know the number of dimensions for these arrays. And if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I am here to help you all the time. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.